I'll be asking Tutti 20 questions and she'll answer never or I have for those questions. Okay, first question. Never have I ever cried for a movie.
But I forgot which movie it was.
Next question. Never have I ever hated a YouTuber.
We have, but I will not tell you who it is.
Never have I ever drowned.
Never!
Never have I ever ate dirty snow.
I heard it was delicious! So.
Never have I ever had a crush on a cartoon character.
Oh, I do! Grandpa Rabbit.
Never have I ever eaten slime.
Never! I never eat slime, but now I feel like eating it.
Never have I ever cried at school.
I have! Someone made fun of my breed.
Never have I ever knocked on someone's door and ran away.
Never!
Never have I ever broken a bone.
Never! I am a very careful person.
Never have I ever gotten a cavity.
Never! I take good care of my teeth.
No, you don't take good care of your teeth. You're just lucky for not getting a cavity. Never have I ever stayed home alone.
Never! I am too young for it.
Never have I ever lost a bet.
What does a bit mean?
Never have I ever eaten food from the floor.
I always do. Do?
Never have I ever used someone else's toothbrush.
Never! It's super gross.
Never have I ever played with worms.
I have! They're my best friends!
Never have I ever got licked by a dog.
Never! I am super scared of dogs.
Wimp. Never have I ever pulled an all-nighter.
Never! I am a good person.
Never have I ever cut my own hair.
I have.
Never have I ever put my clothes on backwards.
Never! That is very, very dumb.
But you're wearing your clothes on backwards right now.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Never have I ever locked someone outside the house.
I have, but you shouldn't do that, kids. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, I will be super happy. If you like this video, then like this video.
Bye!
Hey boys, today. Okay, fine. Just say, today we're going to play Never Have I Ever, like how I said. Look at the camera and do that face. Okay, perfect. Well, have you eaten dirty snow before? No. I don't know. I think I have. Okay, then if you have, then you have to hold up the I have and say something like, we have, and it was delicious. Like you have to pretend that you like eating dirty snow. Okay, next question. Where is it? Oh yeah, here it is. Okay, the camera and say it. Never. What am I supposed to say? Never. No, Mushu, wait. I have to say the question first, remember? Oh, yeah. Okay.